Welcome to HWM Aston Martin, and today we have got for you this lovely magnetic silver 2018 on an 18 plate. So this was registered in the summer of 2018 Vantage Coupe. This particular car is a one-owner vehicle supplied by ourselves new and has done 12,600 miles as well. This car is available on the timeless scheme, or obviously you can visit us here at hwmastonmartin.co.uk, or give us a call here at the showroom and one of us guys would love to look after you. As I say, this car is finished in magnetic silver and is a really nice, simple, good Class C spec. So as I say, magnetic silver. We have the gloss black lower body package, and being an early car, again, these sort of bits were optional on Vantage when it first came through. So we have the gloss black lower body package, which is your side sills, front splitter and your rear diffuser. And then we then have your black pack, which is the grille that sits behind the front nose, and also your matte finish black window surround as well. This particular car does have a gloss black roof, so just to give you a bit of a nice divide in the features. So we have a black roof, grey vehicle, and then your black lower body package. Behind the wheels, as you can see, we have the red brake calipers, and then we then have the nod to the DB10, which was the Bond car. We have the gloss black and diamond turn directional wheels on this vehicle. This car does have 360 cameras, which were fitted as an option on an early Vantage again. And then moving you around the back of the vehicle, we also have your red rear lights on the back here with your chrome detailing, badges, and also your script. We have a gloss black rear diffuser, and then we then have the single exit pipes. Again, I do really like the noise that this produces compared to the quads, as much as that sort of does fill the hole a little bit more, but the single pipe does make a really, really cool noise. Let's give you a bit of a look around, and then we'll So to sort of match the outside of this vehicle, this particular car, and again, I do know the specification of this vehicle pretty well, we have a phantom grey interior on this car. So quite unusual, but a really cool colour, and you'd see it a fair bit on early VH cars. Phantom grey used to get spec'd quite a bit. We have a mocha roof lining, or light ice mocha roof lining, with a lightweight black carpet on this car, and then a red contrast stitch to match the calipers that are on the exterior of the car. We have a black piano veneer, which also goes through onto your doors here, glass buttons and heated seats. This particular car does also have the, as I say, the usual technology, memory seats, climate control, navigation and those sort of items. We also have the electric steering column with cruise control. Again, that was an option on a very early Vantage Coupe, and premium audio as well. This vehicle's got the standard jewellery pack, so we have the gloss black surround around the vents. We also have the satin silver dials on the vehicle. No touchpad, but that's not a problem because you do have the wheel here to control the infotainment. If you want any further details, do give us a call here at the showroom and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.